And on 2f, I'm going to write this a little bit differently than what we had here. So we're going to write this as x plus 1, x is greater than 0, and x minus 1, where x is less than 0. So just real quick, when I was explaining this to a lot of students, again, guys, we're going to spend a whole day on these piecewise functions, all right? But so if I go a little fast for you, that's fine. But when we covered these before, what we're doing is we want to evaluate when x is equal to -1. So we need to understand the parts of the piecewise functions. These are the expressions, and these are the rules. So I didn't put the commas in the paper, and that might have been a little confusing for some of you. But basically, that's what it is. It's just broken down to you have the expressions, and then you have the rules. So in the previous problems, you didn't have a rule. You just plugged it into the expression, right? But for this one, you only plug it into the one where the rule makes sense. So we want to evaluate where x equals -1. So therefore, we need to look at which rule. This rule says use this expression for when x values are greater than 0. And this one says use this expression for x values that are less than 0. Well, obviously, we're evaluating for an expression where x is less than 0. So we're going to use this expression. So therefore, we'll just plug in -1 minus 1, which equals -2. So that is going to be our answer. If I was to change this to x equals 5, then we'd plug 5 into that expression. OK? So just a kind of quick little review as far as how we use